गाँव की अनपढ़ मिट्टी. Sometimes I just don't know why I like to challenge myself. The first time that I'm doing this. King Kylie. This King Kylie makeup look is drop dead gorgeous, and this noob has decided to try to recreate this. Let's go. Hair is secured. Time for skin prep. Gonna moisturize well. Let's do the eye first. So I am going to remove all the product from the brows because we are doing the brows first. और ये मुझे सब वीडियोस देख देख के समझ आया है कि you have to remove the product from your brows. I was about to forget again, but let's prime my face. Look how fast my skin absorbs the products and it immediately gets dry. Going in with shaping my brows and filling it. Look at the difference. Now I'm taking my concealer and concealing my eyes. All this concealing and all is the first time that I'm doing this. Let's see how it goes. Is it too much product? Is it? Let's go in with the powder because we do not get on to the eyeshadows before like fixing the liquid product. I guess we're done. Let's move on to the eyeshadows. A light brown eyeshadow. Since this is the first time I am doing this complicated look, I am going to just mark my ways and then go on with the product. A light brown eyeshadow. The dark brown eyeshadow. Fluffy brush and a dark brown eyeshadow. This is somewhere we have reached. Now here is the tricky part. We are going to do a cut crease and I haven't done a cut crease in my life. Way back I saw this hack in which you just place your concealer or foundation on your lid and just open your eyes. So जहाँ पे भी mark होगा you're going to cut there. Let's try this. Sometimes I just don't know why I like to challenge myself. Marking it here. I guess I have to mark more. I've got the mark somewhat here. Let's cut from here. इसमें क्या ही चेंज आया मुझे तो कुछ समझ नहीं आया. शायद कुछ आया होगा. Because it seems somewhat very whitish. This is the glitter that we are going to use. Let's see how it goes. I've never applied a glitter with a brush, but this time I'm doing this. Now let's apply the glitter. I'm telling you, this was the worst choice. हाथ से लगाते हैं. Little blue also. We are reaching somewhat there. Let's fix this also so that we can move to the lower lash line as well. I'm taking a brown pencil and doing my lower lash line. Taking brown eyeshadow on a brush and doing my lower lash line. See how sharp it looks, right? So while looking at the picture closely, I have seen that it has some black smokiness also on the outer corners. So we're gonna do that, and also it has a liner. बहुत काम बाकी है अभी तो. I love doing eyeshadows, but I hate doing my full face of like foundation. But this look literally demands for it. Shaping my brows again with the concealer. This is अपनी मर्जी से जो समझ आए कर लो tutorial. Taking the black eyeshadow. Let's work on the glitters again. This is the best that I could have done. इसके अलावा I don't know ये कैसा होने वाला है. Let me tightline my eye. Let's first do the wings. I'm just going on with an eyeshadow. I don't know what's going on. Now if I have decided to like sharpen it, ये पक्का ही धोखा देने वाला है. Cause I don't know ये क्या ही product इन्होंने बनाया है कि product अच्छा है and the packaging is disgusting. Working on my waterline as well. Very light blush she's having, I guess. I did with the other side cause I had to settle it down क्योंकि to lock the product we are anyhow going to use the powder blush as well. So just see. That's it. Let's move on to the contouring. I am going with the eyeshadow palette only. ये brown color with the fluffy brush and doing my contours. I don't know, but I can clearly see some difference. This is how the current situation looks like. Let's do the lashes. Somehow we have reached somewhere. Let's do the lip first. Brown lip liner. To darken it more, let's go with a cherry red also because I do not have much lip liners. So let's try this one as well. Going in with this dark brown lipstick. अब कुछ ना कुछ करके इसको उस शेड का तो बनाना पड़ेगा. You know what I'm using? A kajal. With the same brush on the center. A lighter lipstick as well. Kuch. I hope it does not ruin everything. Wait, did this work? Yeah, it makes so much sense now. A little bit of the gloss. I guess we are done. Let me pull off the whole look, change the outfit and come.